Boom shakalaka, boom. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to days 361 through 364 of 365. What's happening, everyone? Deuce Pesic here, founder and chief visionary officer of NDPesic Group, right here in Tallahassee, Florida, baby. Um, wow, we're right on the end. Tomorrow's the last day of the 365 series. I'm gonna go ahead and put together the all of the attempts for an audience with people and just some of the different things I've done to reach out to folks. But as for today, just an elaboration of the last video. As you know, I wound up finding the number to one of the uh, key people in one of the organizations I wanted to sponsor us. So I reached out. I wound up speaking with their executive assistant. Everything went fantastic, and over the weekend, I kind of put something together that that I want to propose. You see, this particular company, the founder recently retired. New CEO was brought in. Everything's fantastic. And it got me thinking about the mental health of the entrepreneur, right? We got to keep busy. There's always something that we need to be excited about. So I went ahead and I figured out the email of the founder of this Fortune 500 company, and sending him a special letter, an introductory letter, letting them know that I've already made contact with the company. But this is a courtesy letter, one of understanding and compassion, one that we know that once you are taken out of your element, it life becomes difficult because you're not in that routine of building. You're out of the element of 100 people coming to you asking questions on a daily basis, solving problems, um, creating opportunities. Once all that stops, it's not easy. Um, it's not easy, and I very much understand that. So, one of the things I'm doing today is putting together an introductory letter in an email and sending it to them to see, hey, listen, we're doing exciting stuff. We'd love for your company to be one of our sponsors, and if he so wishes, uh, to if he sees the excitement in what we're doing about building something big, um, which we are, and if he wants to be a part of it in any way, we'd be more than happy. We'd be elated if he wanted to kind of tag along with us and uh, see our growth, give his input. Um, I think it'd be I think we'd be a great case study in the sense of bringing his expertise in with what we're doing, and seeing us flourish, seeing us reach those goals that I've set for NDPesic Group to reach. So, um, my message to you guys is there's always a way. I've said it before, and I'm going to keep saying it. If there is a hurdle, if there is a problem, there's always a way. This particular instance here is just me sharing my excitement with him because, quite honestly, I love their brand for many decades, and to offer a seat at our board, so to speak, in our development and our growth would maybe give him another project that excites him enough to keep his wheels spinning, if you know what I mean. So, anyway, never stop. Persistence is key. Patience is crucial, but never, never stop. If you've hit a brick wall with one group, you go on to the next one. Don't sit around and wait. Nothing happens when you wait. Things only happen when you take action. Always remember that. Much love to you guys. Have a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend. And always remember, we are one people, one earth. Cheers.